Hey, everybody. It is me, your girl Shay Marie at ShayMarieInc.com, where I share all of the latest on hottest online money making business and investment opportunities. Um, just wanted to say I hope everyone is having a great, awesome Monday. I just wanted to do this real quick video talking about why you should choose GDI over GoDaddy. If you don't know anything about GDI, it's called Global Domain International Incorporated, and it's a domain service that's provided. It's actually been out since 1999, so it's a fairly old company, you guys. So it has been around for some time. Unfortunately, we're just finding out about it, but that's great because that means if you're just finding out about it like I did, then we're still on the ground level and we're in for a great opportunity, you guys. So with that being said, let's get into why I decided to talk about why you should choose GDI over GoDaddy. So Global Domain International is a worldwide domain name registry for all .ws domain names. Our product is an incredible $10 per month package that includes your own domain name hosting accounts and up to 10 email accounts, plus an easy to use online website builder that will allow you to get a professional looking website on the web as quickly as possible. And the best thing is you can try it out, everything that we have to offer starting today for free. So what you're going to get when you actually start your free trial with GDI, you guys, today is you're going to get your domain name. So mine is ShayMarieInc.ws. I also have ShayMarieInc.com. I purchased that, about a year or more ago. Before I get back to that, before I go any further with that, even with domain names, you can actually sell off your domain name, you guys. So the last time I checked for ShayMarieInc.com, it was valued at about $300. So let's just say if I hold on to that website domain name for about 10 years, and in 10 years there's another Shay Marie Inc. that wants to come about, right? I can actually sell it and somebody might want to pay $10,000 for it or $100,000. So that's actually another investment. That's one of the great things about purchasing your own domain names. But it also helps to brand you. So this is an awesome way to brand yourself when you are talking about branding yourself or your business, okay? And as we all know, or if you are have been in the network marketing or online marketing industry, or if you market any business, you know that branding is very important when it comes to getting your name out there, getting people to become familiar with who you are. It's all about branding, whether it's you personally branding yourself as your business or you branding your business. So that is very important, you guys. So with that, you get your domain. You also get, you guys, 10 email addresses per domain. So with that comes Ajax web and mobile interface, cloud file editing and storage, tagging and conversations, advanced search, and personal spam controls. Now, you guys, you get 10 email addresses. This is huge. This is actually really huge because, number one, you guys, when you purchase your domain, you get the email address. You do have the option to choose it or not, but just say, for instance, you want it and you need it. It's going to cost you an extra $4.99. If you don't have a coupon, it's going to cost you an extra $4.99, right? In order to purchase an email. So now you purchased your $15 per year domain name. So that's $15 one-time payment for the year, right? You have $4.99 per month for your email, for one email, you guys. But with GDI, you're actually getting 10 emails, 10 email accounts, you guys. So that is great, because if you have employees, or if you want to create other emails, like for instance, you have your main one. For instance, mine is Shanae Harris at shaymarieinc.ws. If I wanted another one, such as technical support, so I'll say tech support at shaymarieinc.ws. Or if I wanted to say customer service, and I wanted to direct my customers to an email where they can contact customer service, they would contact them using one of the 10 email addresses that I created at tech support at shaymarieinc.ws, right? So that's why this is actually significant. You get 10 of these, you guys, with GDI. Then another thing that you get with this package, you guys, for $10 a month, 7 days free, a free trial of 7 days, you guys. Godaddy doesn't offer that. They offer, also included for the $10 a month, you guys, is the world's most popular blogging software, WordPress. Now, GoDaddy does offer this software, or this with their service, but it's an additional anywhere from $2.99 a month, you guys, to $20.99, depending on how the package that you choose, and how much features, how many features that you want to come with the service that you provide, with the plugins and all of that. This is actually already created for you, very easy to do, built in. There's tons of training here in this back office, you guys, when you actually set up your account, that'll show you how to create websites, show you how to set up your blogs. You get up to 5 different blogs at once, you guys. That is absolutely amazing. Only for $10 per month, you guys. And so the ultimate reason why GDI is absolutely an amazing opportunity, you guys, is because of the money making opportunity. You can actually make money with your domain. So I'll just scan over this very quickly. Since 2004, the heart of GDI's global affiliate program has been a simple yet powerful 5-layer compensation structure, which pays out a total of 50% of all revenues received, you guys. That is absolutely great. As a GDI affiliate, you will be rewarded with a 10% commission on the revenue generated from each layer through a total of 5 generations. So 5 generations down, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 generations, or 5 layers down. With no limit on how many frontline meaning your first layer, which is people that you've directly brought into the opportunity, right? People that you've directly referred. Frontline layer 1 affiliates you may have, and therefore no limit to your potential income. In the simple illustration to the right, you will see that if you can personally introduce 5 affiliates and each of them do the same, you will have built a network of 3,905 affiliates, you guys. 3,905 affiliates. Whenever one of them makes a sale or spends money themselves on GDI services, you will receive 10% of every transaction, whether it is monthly or annually, which means long-term residual income for you guys. Long-term residual income. So they're paying their monthly fee every month. Of course, they're going to keep their website going because they need it for business, or they need it to blog. Whatever the case may be, they're going to need it, right, for a long term. This is not a short-term thing. This is a long-term residual income, you guys. So not only that, you guys, they also offer bonuses. So let's talk about the bonuses. You earn an unlimited number of $100 bonuses on each week by simply referring 5 new confirmed associates in a 7-day contest period. So you have 7 days, you guys, to get 5 new people, and you can actually earn $100 for every 5 new people that you bring into the business opportunity and refer, or just refer the services to the products and services, correct? So what if you got 25? That's an extra $500, you guys, added on of income, you guys. Could you use an extra $500 a week? I know I could. $100 to $500 bonuses, you guys, per week, just referring 5 people. And it's very easy to do. If you're diligent and you hardworking like me, you can get this done, you guys. Let's talk about the heavy hitter bonus, $5,000. Any affiliate referring 1,000 people or more paid affiliates in any consecutive 4-week period is eligible to receive the heavy hitter bonus. The bar has been set high. Are you a heavy hitter? Show us what you're made of by referring 1,000 people. So if you refer 1,000 people, you guys, if I refer, and it's not when I, let me take that back, not if, when I refer 1,000 people, you guys, in a 4-week period, which I'm gonna do, because I'm writing the vision and I'm making it plain. They're writing the vision here for you, you guys. They're telling you, you want to make $5,000, you need 1,000 people in 4 weeks. Go do it. It can be done. It can be done, you guys. Okay, by getting paid on all levels down to infinity. Don't get us wrong. Our current pay structure is paying out tremendous commissions to those of you who are serious about building your GDI business. Many already approaching 5 figures monthly. But this takes it to the next level, allowing the real go-getters to reach a level of income they've only dreamed about until now, you guys. This is absolutely, it's possible, you guys. People are really earning this amount of money. Let's check out this income calculator. I'm going to go to the income calculator. Okay, so let's just say, you guys, we have 25 people on our front line. And let's just say those 25 went out and they got 10. Number of direct referrals is $1 each. Number of level 2 through 5, you guys, 2 through 5 is $1 each. So you're making 10% on layers 1 through 5. You guys, show me a compensation plan like that. I don't care if it's only $10 to start. It's a numbers game, you guys. You gotta go work it and get the people. So if you're 25 basic referrals, that's $25 for you. They went out and did the same thing. That's an extra $250 for you guys. They went out and got 10 people. That's so then your 250 people also went out and got 10 people. That's another $2,500. Can you see how much money you can actually earn, you guys, per month? If you actually got 5 layers, of course this will take time, but your monthly income, you guys, will be $277,000.77. Of course this is going to take time, so let's just be realistic and do realistic numbers. Let's say 5 people went and got 10 people. Let's see. You're still doing good with a monthly income, you guys, of $55,555, you guys. You're still doing very good earnings. Now, of course, like I said, this is going to take some time. But what if this very duplicatable system that you can, all you have to do is share with others, you guys. It's income for life. So as you're going about life, you're using the services, you're telling people about them, they want to know about them, they go and sign up, you're making money, you guys. It's not hard. So don't go into it expecting it to happen tomorrow, because it's not. It takes time. But I just wanted to show you the difference, you guys, the very great differences in having in choosing GDI over GoDaddy. That's what this video was about. Choosing GDI over GoDaddy. Why should you? Well, I just explained to you very, very, very irrelevant reasons why you should choose GDI over GoDaddy, because of the amazing savings that you can earn, and also because of the income potential that it has to bring to your household, you guys. So with that being said, you guys, I'm not going to hold you any longer. I definitely wanted to come back and say, if you appreciate the information that I shared with you, if this helped you to make your decision with GDI, or why you should go with GDI a little bit better, you guys, definitely go ahead and click on that subscription button so that you can get notified every time I put out more great content, more great information, more great ways to make money and build wealth, you guys. Let's get this money. Let's create wealth for our generations to come, for our legacies, you guys. Let's do this. Also, please smash up the likes for me, and I appreciate all of the love and support. I want to thank you in advance. Until my next video, you guys, it is your girl Shay Marie. I'll check back with you later.